ಯಾವ ಥರದ ಕಥೆ ಇದೆ?
ಮಾಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಜಾನರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಮದರ್ ಸನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್. this not a film of the actor and the actress. This is a film of the whole, so many what do you say, characters and families and everyone.
ಕರಾಬು ಸಾಂಗು ತುಂಬ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್ಜಾ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಲುಕ್ಕಲ್ ಟಪೋರಿ ಗೆಟಪ್ಪು, ಒಂಥರ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಗೆಟಪ್ಪು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ರಾ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸು?
As in, initially song ಕೇಳುವಾಗ I knew that this is going to go really well. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಚಂದನ್ ಸರ್ದು his plus point is only his beats. So beats ಕೇಳುವಾಗ I was like, this it's going to break records anta. But I think while shooting the film we were all over the place, and nan idu shooting song thara irlilla. It was like a scene. Like I said, I didn't have to dance or I didn't have to do all of that. So nangu idondu scene thara, montages thara ittu. So I think it was extremely fun. ಬಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕ್ರೂ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಚ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ಸ್.
ಆ ಸಾಂಗು ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹಾಲಿವುಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಜನ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆದರೂ ಆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದೌದು, ನನ್ನ ಜಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಅದೇ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ I am very ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೂ I keep hearing this song and I'm extremely proud of it. ಜಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ for this song ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ and they were like, madam this one you only know, this one you only know ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ yeah, it's a very nice feeling.
ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ನಂತರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳು ಹೇಗಿದೆ?
ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇನ್, ನಾನು ಈ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಬಂದು ಐ ಸೈನ್ಡ್ ಯಜಮಾನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ದ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟುಕ್ 1.5 ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 2 years. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ 1.5 years. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಯಜಮಾನ, ಈಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೊಗರು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಜುಲೈ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ವರೆಗೂ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ agree for a film and make them wait for 6 months. I'm not that person. So I'd rather agree for a film and start shooting now. So ಆ ಥರ
ಕತೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫುಲ್ ಓದಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ?
ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇನ್, ಈಗ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಬಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ನರೇಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕಥೆನೇ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಪೊಗರು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಐ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಮೈ ಜನರಲ್ process would be synopsis, then narration, and then script reading, and then meeting, and then script, sir. Yes, I have a team. Andre, I think it is me, my manager, my mother, and if all the three of us like it, then we go ahead with it. Yakantandre, I would like to see myself somehow, but my first audience would be my mother and my manager. So athara.
During the lockdown, you called out for a lot of new writers and new talent.
Correct.
You also promoted some very interesting short films. So what is the kind of talent that you have cooperate and collaborate in the future?
As in, when I've told people to send me scripts, I had one team sitting on the scripts and reading through the script. And there were many scripts where we sent back and said, give us the full script. As in, they would send the synopsis, we'd like it, and we'd tell them to send us the full script. And there's a lot of discussions happening over that. And the thing what I believe is the young team have a lot of content to give, and we South are known for contents. And if any way that I can support, I'll support them, and I'll support only after being extremely judgmental. Like if I really like the work, I'll support. Otherwise, I'll be like, just because I'm accessible, I'm not going to do things for you. So it's like that.
And do you have, so that does this mean you're looking at being involved in cinema more in a bigger?
As in, definitely, because now I am an actor. I would like to remain an actor for a little while longer, because this is where I began and this is what I'm now finding myself to be. But in the near or far future, I think I will be more involved in film other than acting and probably some business or something. Let's see.
And you know, every time you get into a newer industry, it also you're starting off afresh and new, especially now with Bollywood and Tamil both coming in simultaneously. So how is it going through that same times?
So the thing is, I tend to like strip myself of all the stardom or the fame I have when I go into a new industry. I am completely like a debutant. I make sure that I'm learning the things as an actor, as I don't know, I'm just a newbie when I go to a new industry. So I'm not going to show what I have here there, because I know it's not going to work. I have a different set of audience. I'm dealing with different language, culture, everything. So I think as in, that is how I am, and I tend to do this every time. As you've seen, once Kannada happened, I went to Telugu and I began as a newbie there, and I am in Tamil now and I'm beginning to be a newbie there, and now Hindi. So it's just like that. It's the same for me in every industry, but learning process takes me a while.
And you're going to shoot in complete heartland UP, is what we got to know. So what are your preps for your Bollywood debut?
As in, I think Hindi works in a very different way. There's a lot of preparation and the workshops happening around there. So I have done my bit. I was staying in Bombay for quite some time, and I was doing my workshops and I met the team and we got super comfortable. Now I'm very excited to go and shoot with, you know, people there and all of that. So as in, there's a lot of preparation. There's a preparation in language, there's a preparation for the character, there's workshops for and with the team. So yeah, and they start shooting today, so I just wish them luck.
Nice. And there's talks of your film with Vikas Bells, and you've not commented on it yet.
I don't wish to comment on that now also. Well, I think whatever it is, everyone will know when the time's right.
And also there was some very interesting pictures you kept putting from Goa. So what was it? What retreat were you on?
As in, Goa, I think, has become my third home. Coog, and then my home here, and then Goa becomes my getaway. I love staying in Goa, working out there, eating food, meeting people. I have my family there, as in my friends who are my family now is in Goa. So yeah, that's my getaway. Thank you.
ಪಗುರು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ರಶ್ಮಿಕಾ ಮಂದಣ್ಣ ಯಾವ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅವಕಾಶ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು?
ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇನ್ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ಸರ್, June, July, August ವರೆಗೂ I am jam-packed with all my films that I'm doing. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ I am very open to listening to scripts. ಈಗ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಟೀಮ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 6 months ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಪಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್.
ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ?
For now, I haven't gotten the time to. That's what I'm not listening to scripts now, sir. Time ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕತೆ ಇದೆ
ಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮೈ ಫೋನ್ ಮಚ್, ಸೊ there's no way of getting contact with me. I think either mama or my manager, they would have got in touch with.